So we're being asked to explain how this equipment here could be used to check the experiment is working, okay? So what we've got here, let's just make sure we understand this. We have got a conical flask. This here is a little bung with a glass sidearm, and the sidearm is connected to a gas syringe. This is designed to measure volumes, and all along the edge of the gas syringe will be markings that tell you how much gas has been collected. And as this reaction goes on, the plunger will move that way, showing that more and more gas is being collected. So, how do I use this equipment to show the results of this experiment? The first thing I'm going to do, I'll do it in little form over here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh out. 0.048 grams of magnesium, and to do that I will use a balance. So we're going to do that using a balance. Then what I will do is we will add some sulfuric acid to the conical flask, add sulfuric acid to the conical flask. Then I'm going to add the magnesium. So we're then going to add the magnesium, the Mg, and seal the flask. So we're going to seal the flask, and we're going to make sure the gas syringe is on 0 centimeters cubed. Okay, we're then going to allow the experiment to work, so we'll let the experiment run. How will we know when the experiment is finished? Well, what will happen is this gas syringe will stop moving, so it'll stop collecting gas, and we know then the experiment is done. So I would say we leave the experiment until the gas syringe stops moving. So we're going to leave the experiment until the gas syringe stops moving, and then we will record the volume of gas collected. Record the volume of gas collected. Okay, so that's step one. Describe how you would do this. Step two, what they're really asking you here is to prove that if I have that much magnesium, it'll make this much hydrogen. That's what it's wanting me to do. So to do that, I have to do the calculation. This is the calculation that I would do. I would take my 0.048 grams of magnesium, and we're trying to work out the volume of hydrogen that is being produced. So my first job, I need to turn that into moles. So my first job is to find moles. We do mass divided by MR. So the mass is 0.048 divided by 24, and it gives me this answer here. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is use the ratio in the equation. Well, the ratio here is 1 magnesium makes 1 hydrogen. So I've got a 1-to-1 ratio. So therefore I've got this many moles of the magnesium is going to be this many moles of the hydrogen. And then the final step is to turn this into a volume. So what I then do is use this triangle here. So the volume is moles times 24. So the moles from here times it by 24 gives me this value here. So we've proved, because that value there, just to let you know, when you multiply that out, it becomes 48 centimeters cubed. Okay, which is, we come back up, exactly what they wanted us to calculate. Hopefully that helps get the homework done. Look forward to seeing it when we mark it in class. Any problems, do give me a shout, and good luck.